Hey everybody, JR from JR's Cars. Today, we're going to be working on the edge again because it's broken down again. I got to get it out of here. There's too many things that I'm looking at doing with the channel that are going to be bringing more stuff here. So I got to get rid of some things, and that seems to be the boat anchor at this point. It was working fine for probably about a month and a half, something like that. I think I put about 1,000 miles on it. And all of a sudden, just one day, driving home from picking up some Chinese food, it started knocking. Best case scenario would be the timing tensioner went bad, and it's the timing chain that's kind of knocking around in there a little bit, but knowing my luck, it's probably not that. Maybe that's a good sign?